The Artboard tool in Photoshop lets you add or size an individual workspace. You think about it like a virtual piece of paper on a larger canvas. So you see here, all these separate artboards are different workspaces, right? And you can do so many different things with artboards. You can have different ones sized up way bigger up here, smaller ones, whatever best fits your project. So how you use it, obviously you select the tool, then what you want to do is either draw an artboard out, click and drag and let go, or if you already have an artboard, you can come around to the edge and click on the edge once, and you'll see these little circles with the plus sign. You can click on one and it'll create an exact copy of the artboard you were just on, and then you can keep creating them however you want, right? And when you do this, when you create a new artboard, there's going to be a new artboard layer, and you can see whenever I select one, a different one is highlighted in the canvas. And how I did this project, obviously I have different images on each artboard. You can see how it's set up, because this document is for all my tool tutorials. So like here I got all the type tools on this artboard, got the eraser tools on this artboard, marquee and shape tools here. So that's the main reason for artboards, guys. It just helps you separate your work, whatever's best for your project that you're working on, right? If you come up here to the top options, you got your presets. Then after that, you got the size. You can have a custom shape where you just draw it, or you can come here and pick like a phone screen size. They got different computer sizes, all types of outside presets that you didn't make yourself. Then after that, we got a width and height. You can either highlight this and type it in manually, or you can hover over the word, and the more you slide it, the more pixels added to the artboard, whether it be the height or the width. Then you can change the background color. Say we want it red, click OK, and if I move the height again, you can see this is the background color. Or you can come over here and change it to transparent if you'd like, other, black or white. After that, you can choose between portrait and landscape. Then this button here is just to add a new artboard. You click it, and then you come over here and just click once, and it'll add one the same size as whatever artboard you had selected. Then we got some align and distribute options. If you want to align them, say to the left edges, right edges, you can align them by the centers, either horizontal or vertical. And then it's got a couple distribute options also. And last but not least, this sets the artboard's behaviors. You can choose it to auto nest the layers, auto size the canvas, keep relative position during layer reordering, and shrink wrap the canvas on save. And I'll explain what these each do. Auto nest layers. If you hover over it, it'll give you a little explanation. It allows layers to move in and out of the artboards and frames depending on the position of the canvas. Auto sizing allows the canvas to grow and shrink as needed to contain all the artwork. Keep relative position during layer reordering. This has the layers maintain relative position when moved from artboard to artboard using the layers. Shrink wrap canvas on save. This is going to shrink the canvas for saved documents to the minimum size needed to contain all the artwork. Pretty much that's everything about artboards, guys. If you got any more questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.